Yeah.
We're going to get all that resin off in the tree bark. This is where it gets really sticky. Okay. And put it inside this can. So I don't think the people here in the house would be too happy if we use all their cutlery or their pots and pans.
Yeah.
Here's a good piece. Look at that. Want to smell?
Smells nice.
Okay. I whacked it in there. Actually, I need to take a bit of that bark out. See here? There we go. Okay. What I'm looking at is over the next couple of minutes, this start to melt, and then we're going to add a bit of ash. And we also got, come this way, some bits of dry grass here as well, which we're going to add, and that's going to create pine pitch. Here, bring up here. Oh, can't see Jack. Have a look there. See, it's getting really nice.
Yes.
Put down for a little bit longer. Right here. A little bit of ash. Right. And now I'm going to mix it. It's going to start to change colour. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Use dry grass to bind it together. It's sticking to my fingers because of the resin. Get off.
What is that going to do?
Helps bind the ash and the resin together. Right?
Okay.
Some people use rabbit poo, but we really can't move for rabbit poo where we are at the moment, can we? I don't think the mother will be too impressed. I'll grab out, hey, look at all the rabbit crap I got.
Yeah.
Right? That's the fact. The neighbours around here think I'm crazy if I'm picking up rabbit shit. So now, everything's mixed. Temperature's gone down now. Right? I'm going to try and lift it up. Get a nice big glue ball. Whoa, saved by the bell.
Oh.
So I'm going to leave it up here a bit. I need it to cool down. Okay, it's going to cool down a bit. And then I'm going to rub it together. Hands, roll it back and forth. Obviously, it looks like I've got soft hands nowadays, typing on the keyboard too long. That was supposed to be funny. And now I'm just going to try and stretch it out a bit. Make the nice poo sticks. There we go. See this one?
Yeah.
And have a listen.
Oh, jeez, that's hard as a rock.
Okay, it's still a little bit soft, right? In about 5-10 minutes, they'll be rock hard. Okay, you see that now? What does that look like?
A cursed hot dog.
A cursed hot dog. Right. There we go.
Hey.
Okay?
Yeah.